What's up, bub? What are you doing? Huh? I see you. Peekaboo. Alright, that's fine. I'll just use this stool. Guys, my water heater broke. It sucks to take cold showers. So I'm going to replace the water heater by myself. Oh, there go my helper. What's up, bub?
Candy.
You got candy?
Mommy pies me.
There go my other helper.
There's my Buddha holder.
Maybe you can help me out, man. I don't know what I'm doing here, man. Hopefully I can figure it out.
You guys not coming?
I don't know. I'm just gonna do it myself, bro. What's up, guys?
He's right here.
I'm gonna change my water heater. I don't know what I'm doing, but the video says you have to cut these pipes right here. So I'm gonna cut these pipes.
Yep, you had to cut the pipe.
Uh-oh.
You did it wrong. Got
Come on,
it.
Lala. I gotta close the main water valve first.
Why? So end it.
Guys, check it out, man. I just cut the pipes.
And we had some
Acting like I know what I'm doing.
we had some leaks over here.
Look at all this water.
And guys,
Janitor Monty's here.
Janitor Monty's here. So I'm getting ready to disconnect the main power line. But before you do that, make sure you have a voltmeter, okay? So that way you're not dealing with a live circuit and fry your brains. All right, guys, so I got it finally disconnected. So we're dealing with positive and negative. Black and red wire coming out of the tank. As you can see, there's my main power feed. Black to red. Common to common. And then you have the copper ground. Zoom in on that. There you go. Just gotta free this up so I can move the tank, you know what I'm saying? You can help me move it?
Yep.
Oh shit. Alright, there you go. Alright guys, so I finally got the tank loose. I got the power disconnected. Unfortunately, man, this tank is still heavy. I can't move it, so you need to drain all the water. So you can just use a normal garden hose. And if your garden hose is long enough, you can take your garden hose straight outside. But in my case, I have a sub pump here, so I'm just draining all the water into the sub pump, and then it'll push the water outside. You know what I mean? Guys, I'm getting ready to turn on the water, guys. Check out that fine work. Check out that fine work. I added shut-off valves on the cold and the hot side. Look at that fine work. Them pipe skills, boy. Look at them pipe skills. Look at them pipe skills down to the sub pump. You hear that water? Ramona, you hear that water? It's filling up that tank.
Is everything good now?
I'm filling up that tank. I haven't applied power yet, bud. I gotta fill up the water first. Alright guys, I just applied power. This is the digital screen. I just filled up the tank. So first and foremost, when you put a new water heater in, do not power it on. You need to fill it up with water first and make sure hot water is coming out of the hot side faucet. And then you apply power once water is coming out. So yeah, I got it set to 120 degrees. It should be warming up water if I did everything properly. And we shall see what happens. And I'm gonna set up Wi-Fi. Guys, check it out, guys. Look at that mighty fine job, that pipe work. Look at that pipe work. Oh, look at that pipe work. Ooh, Performance Platinum Ream. Ooh, ooh. Come around this way. Come around this way. Look at that pipe work. We call these couplers right here shark bites. Shark bites. Shark bites.
Hey, Daddy.
Shark bites. Hot valve, cold valve. Shark bites. Shark bites.